Hi, K2. Welcome back to a brand new week of learning. Yes, guess what day it is today? Today is Thursday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Yes, it was. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of January. Super duper. Can you help me read the date? Super. Today is Thursday, January 20th, 2022. Happy New Year! I'm so happy. Now, this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. How many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? Two. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. What are they? A-E-I-O-U, vowel disco. A-E-I-O-U, vowel disco. Super. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face. That's right. Look, I have our short vowel sounds here, and we mark them with happy faces. Here we go. A, apple. E, elephant. What does the elephant say? E, inchworm. Ostrich. Umbrella. Super duper. Now, stop. Look. Listen. We have a blend. Who is that? It's Manny Monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Say hi, Manny Monkey. Hi. Okay, are you ready to read the blends with me? Here we go. Ma, me, ma, me, ma. Super, one more time. Ma, me, ma, me, ma. Wow, you guys are reading blends. Thanks, Manny Monkey, for helping us. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Bye, Manny Monkey. There goes Manny Monkey. Now, ABC 1, 2, 3, page 54. Okay, let's get our ABC 1, 2, 3, page 54. Where is it? Dun, dun, dun. Okay, and there's Manny Monkey. And the blends are mixed up. Can you read them? Take time to read the blends. Yes, that's super fun. Okay, and you're also going to get to color the picture. What color is Manny Monkey's shirt? Green. That's right. So we're going to color Manny Monkey's shirt green. And what color is Manny Monkey's shorts? Can you see? Orange. That's right. So we're going to color Manny Monkey's shorts orange. Super duper. And that is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class for today. I will see you tomorrow.